Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned till the end to discover a secret to rapid and natural weight loss in our free report linked in the description. Listen, I know you're tired of yo-yo dieting, of losing weight only to gain it all back. You want something sustainable, something that will give you real lasting results. And you know what? You deserve that. Today, we're diving into the top 3 diets that are most effective for losing weight without the rebound effect. We're going to break down how they work, why they're effective, and what you need to know to make them work for you. So, let's get started. First up, we're tackling the ketogenic diet, better known as keto. Now, keto has been getting a lot of buzz lately, and for good reason. It's a powerful tool for weight loss, but it's not a magic bullet. It takes commitment, consistency, and a willingness to change your relationship with food. So what exactly is keto? In a nutshell, it's a very high-fat, very low-carb way of eating. Think healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. We're talking about drastically reducing your carb intake, saying goodbye to sugary drinks, processed foods, and even most grains. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, high fat, isn't that bad for me? And that's the old way of thinking. See, when you drastically reduce carbs, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. This is where the magic happens. Instead of burning glucose, sugar, for energy, your body starts burning fat. That's right, fat becomes your primary fuel source. This shift in energy production not only helps you shed those unwanted pounds, but can also lead to increased energy levels, improved mental clarity, and even better blood sugar control. But remember, consistency is key. Sticking to those low-carb macros is crucial for staying in ketosis and reaping the benefits. Now let's talk about the R-word, rebound weight gain. One of the reasons keto is so effective at preventing this dreaded rebound is its impact on hormones, particularly insulin. When you consume carbs, your body releases insulin to help process that sugar. High insulin levels can lead to fat storage and make it harder to lose weight. By keeping carbs low, keto helps keep insulin levels stable, preventing those blood sugar spikes and crashes that can trigger cravings and lead to overeating. This hormonal balance is a game changer when it comes to maintaining your weight loss long term. But let's be real, keto isn't a walk in the park. It requires a serious commitment to changing your eating habits and can come with some initial side effects like the keto flu. Electrolyte imbalances can lead to headaches, fatigue, and muscle cramps in the beginning. But don't worry, these symptoms usually subside within a few days as your body adapts. The key to keto success is preparation and education. You need to know what you can and can't eat, how to read food labels like a pro, and how to create delicious, satisfying meals that fit your macros. And that's where a little support can go a long way. Joining a community or consulting with a dietitian can provide the guidance and encouragement you need to stay on track. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Now let's shift gears and explore the Mediterranean diet, a way of eating inspired by the traditional dietary patterns of people living in the Mediterranean region. This diet is not just a set of guidelines, but a cultural heritage that has been passed down through generations. This isn't about deprivation or strict rules. It's about embracing a way of life that celebrates fresh, whole foods and joyful eating experiences. It's about finding pleasure in the simplicity and richness of natural ingredients. Picture this: sun-drenched vineyards, vibrant farmers' markets overflowing with colorful produce, and meals shared with loved ones. Imagine the laughter, the conversations, and the connections made over a shared meal. The Mediterranean diet is all about abundance, not restriction. It's about enjoying a variety of foods that are both delicious and nutritious. It's about nourishing your body with the goodness of nature and savoring every bite. Each meal becomes an opportunity to celebrate the bounty of the earth. So what makes this dietary approach so special? Why has it stood the test of time and gained worldwide recognition? It's all about focusing on real, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that our bodies need to thrive. Think vibrant salads drizzled with olive oil, hearty lentil soups, and fresh fish grilled to perfection. These dishes are not only tasty, but also incredibly healthy. But it's not just about what you eat, it's about how you eat. The Mediterranean lifestyle encourages a mindful approach to eating. The Mediterranean lifestyle emphasizes mindful eating, taking the time to savor your food and appreciate the flavors, aromas, and textures. It's about being present in the moment. It's about ditching distractions and truly connecting with your meals. This practice can enhance your overall eating experience and improve digestion. Now let's talk about the science behind this delicious way of eating. What makes the Mediterranean diet so beneficial for our health? The Mediterranean diet is packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients that work together to promote overall health and well-being. These components help protect our cells and support bodily functions. These nutrient powerhouses help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and support healthy blood sugar levels. They play a crucial role in preventing chronic diseases. But here's the best part. The Mediterranean diet isn't just good for your body, it's good for your mind too. It promotes a sense of well-being and happiness. Studies have shown that this way of eating can improve mood, boost cognitive function, and even reduce the risk of cognitive decline. It's a holistic approach to health, and when it comes to weight loss, the Mediterranean diet shines. Its balanced approach makes it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Its emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods naturally helps you consume fewer calories without feeling deprived. You can enjoy your meals without the guilt. The abundance of fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing cravings and overeating. This makes it easier to stick to your health goals. But it's not just about shedding pounds, it's about keeping them off. The Mediterranean diet supports long-term weight management. The Mediterranean diet's focus on sustainable lifestyle changes rather than quick fixes makes it easier to maintain your weight loss long-term. It's a way of life, not a temporary solution. It's about creating healthy habits that you can stick with for life. These habits become second nature over time. So if you're looking for a delicious, sustainable, and enjoyable way to lose weight and improve your overall health, the Mediterranean diet might just be your perfect match. It's a journey towards a healthier, happier you. It's time to ditch the diet mentality and embrace a lifestyle that nourishes your body and soul. Let's celebrate food and life the Mediterranean way. Now let's dive into the world of intermittent fasting, a powerful approach to weight loss that focuses on when you eat rather than what you eat. This method has gained significant popularity due to its simplicity and effectiveness. It's not about deprivation, it's about strategic eating patterns that optimize your body's natural fat-burning capabilities. By aligning your eating schedule with your body's circadian rhythms, you can enhance your metabolic health. Think of intermittent fasting as a metabolic switch, flipping your body from fat storage mode to fat-burning mode. This switch can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. By cycling between periods of eating and fasting, you're essentially giving your body a break from constantly digesting food, allowing it to tap into its fat reserves for energy. This process can also help regulate your blood sugar levels. Now, before you picture yourself starving for days on end, let me clarify that intermittent fasting is highly customizable. You can tailor it to fit your personal needs and lifestyle. There are various methods, each with its own unique fasting and eating windows. Some popular ones include the 16-8 method, the 5-2 method, and the eat-stop-eat method. The key is to find a rhythm that fits your lifestyle and preferences. This flexibility makes intermittent fasting accessible to almost everyone. One popular method is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours each day and consume all your meals within an 8-hour eating window. This method is often easier to stick to because it aligns with most people's natural eating patterns. For example, you might skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. This way, you can still enjoy your favorite meals within a specific time frame. Another approach is the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. This method offers a balance between regular eating and fasting. This method offers more flexibility throughout the week while still reaping the benefits of fasting. It allows you to enjoy your favorite foods on most days while still maintaining a calorie deficit. Now you might be wondering, what happens to my body during fasting? The changes are both fascinating and beneficial. Well, a lot of incredible things. Your body undergoes several positive changes that contribute to better health. As your insulin levels drop, your body starts tapping into its fat stores for energy, leading to weight loss. This process also helps in stabilizing your blood sugar levels. But the benefits go beyond shedding pounds. Intermittent fasting can lead to a host of other health improvements. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, boost brain function, and even protect against chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. These benefits make it a holistic approach to health. It's like hitting the reset button on your metabolism. This reset can lead to long-term health benefits and improved quality of life. But let's be real, intermittent fasting isn't a free pass to eat whatever you want during your eating windows. You still need to make mindful food choices. It's still crucial to focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods that nourish your body and support your weight loss goals. This ensures that you get the most out of your fasting periods. And remember, consistency is key. Sticking to your chosen fasting schedule is essential for seeing results. Just like any other lifestyle change, intermittent fasting takes time to adapt to. Support from friends or a community can make this transition smoother. You might experience some initial hunger pangs or cravings, but these usually subside as your body adjusts to the new eating pattern. Staying hydrated and keeping busy can help manage these feelings. So if you're looking for a scientifically backed approach to weight loss that goes beyond calorie restriction, intermittent fasting might just be the game changer you've been searching for. It offers a sustainable way to improve your health. It's time to take control of your metabolism and unlock your body's fat-burning potential. Embrace intermittent fasting and watch your health transform. So there you have it, your comprehensive guide to the top 3 diets for losing weight and keeping it off for good. Remember, the most effective diet is the one you can stick to, so find what works best for you, your body, and your lifestyle. Whether you choose to embrace the high-fat world of keto, savor the Mediterranean lifestyle, or experiment with the power of intermittent fasting, remember that consistency and a commitment to nourishing your body are key. It's not about quick fixes. It's about making sustainable changes that lead to lasting results. And don't forget to check out the free report in the description for a secret to rapid and natural weight loss. It's packed with even more tips, tricks, and insights to help you on your journey to a healthier, happier you. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep crushing your goals every single day.